All the suspects are from Uganda, from one community of Wagisu, and therefore we are taking these stern measures to establish their stay here and the activities that they are involved. The prime suspects who have confessed to killing and eating the corpses were living along a road reserve within Bandera. Today, I have directed that this road reserve to be reclaimed, and we are going to flatten all those structures they were living in within Bandera by close of business today.
Kama Sinandi, Steve Masidan, spokesperson, members of the media, watching the Hunter, the whole reacting specifically to NTV News, NTV Kenya News, and some other platforms. So capturing the city of police of Kenya, county officials in Marakwet West County, Bamasaba, Baveyo, Balia, Babandi, and Mbole Bamasaba, the Valley of Kenya, the Valley of Uganda was that we do not have a history. We do not have a history of eating people. It's not there, it's not recorded anywhere, it's not within our culture, it's not in any part of our culture, any part of our customs, and therefore it is a false allegation leveled against our people who are in Kenya. I will use English specifically because this information needs to reach the other side. Two, if Banga Holia Babandu, the Banga Horuma, Holia Kababandu, if we are to be taken as human eaters or be involved in the acts of cannibalism, Aluba Rieva, Revano, neighbors, Befevano, Aluba Rieva, Tesovano, Aluba Rieva, Yorevano, all of them would have eaten all these neighbors, but we do not eat that. So it is very wrong, culturally tarnishing. It has disturbed our cultural institution, it has disturbed the Bamasaba as a community on the negative level that our people on the other side get. Two, legally, let me also speak as a lawyer. In the law, there are principles you must follow. Now, I heard the county government officials saying they are going to demolish the buildings that our people were staying in. That is interfering with an exhibit, interfering with the scene of crime. Legally, that area should be secured for further investigations and the collection of exhibits and evidence. Now, if you say you are going to demolish it, you are given the instruction to have it demolished, then you are interfering with the scene of crime. How are you going to prosecute these people in court? What evidence are you going to base on? Two, to say that our people ate, what evidence is also available? You know, in criminal law and criminology, as a discipline, the first thing to destroy is evidence. So we would have expected that our people who are being accused of eating people should have even burnt the clothes, but we saw clothes that are being put in clothes around. We saw them. That is something that is being framed on our communities. We are using friendly channels. We are going to petition the Speaker of Parliament of Kenya and the Kenyan government to ensure that they invest themselves in this issue. Because the Speaker is a Bamasaba. He has no history also of human eating of flesh, eating flesh. It's not that. Two, to say that our people were eating humanism in Kenya, younger children, have you tested the saucepans through a government lab chemist to ascertain that these saucepans, on account of what we have established, have cooked human meat for all is wrong? So it is totally false, and I would want anybody outside there not to discriminate our people. Even if it were so, we in law and criminal law for that matter, we do not just brush off issues when they come. We now therefore, since our people are arrested, we now therefore ask the following: that one, let the law be followed to the letter. One, you are aware that under Article 28, Clause 3A of the Ugandan Constitution, it says if I may be able to quote freely. It says, an accused person in criminal matters in a criminal trial is innocent until proven otherwise. The same spirit is also seen in the Kenyan constitution that says in Article 50 Clause 2A that an accused person or those who are making allegations about somebody committing a crime, the person remains innocent until proven otherwise. So, flatly reasoning, the two municipal instruments, the one of Kenya, the one of Uganda, they are at par when it comes to the innocence of accused persons. We condemn the language used in the audio and including NTV Kenya that say these people are eating younger children in Kenya. The language that should have been used illegally would have been that these are suspects or these are alleged to have eaten, but we are saying they have eaten. They have eaten. So that is very wrong. We make specific appeals that our people should be well handled, should all their fundamental rights must be respected. The team of lawyers is assembling a team of cultural experts headed by the Minister for Culture here and our Deputy Prime Minister in Kenya, before Wakoli. We are going to follow up this matter until this logical conclusion. In the interim, we reject any label and claim that our people in Kenya are cannibalists of any nature. It's never supported by our culture, it's never supported by any law. And even if we are so, it could be practices that they have just put alongside the way. But I want to practically say we do not have that history as Bamasaba. It's a very good one. Because these are very strong allegations that can steer tribal emotions. You have seen, I specifically appeal to our Bamasaba people here in the districts of Soroko, Manava, Bududa, and Msindwa, Bali City and Bali district, to stay calm and not revenge. Because I've seen in some who caught selling medicines here, our people should be very calm and they shouldn't take the law into their hands. Two, in the context of regional integration, our people are at liberty by law to move freely in any part of East Africa unhindered. And aware that we have very good bilateral and cultural relations with Kenya, we do not want these ties to be harmed. So we make specific appeals to the Kenyan county officials. Please do not use a language that creates an impression that they are as guilty as charged. They remain suspects, they remain innocent in the provisions of the law, and that should be